Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best aluminum polish for wheels in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best aluminum polish for wheels. Starting at number 5, we have the California Custom Products Polish. California Custom Products delivers a metal polish combo kit that polishes metal surfaces including aluminum, brass, copper, chrome, silver, and steel, while also removing tough oxidation and corrosion with ease. The company's included purple polish works hard to restore your metal surfaces to a shiny sheen, while the included aluminum deoxidizer sets out to remove rust, even from materials such as chrome. Best of all, if you aren't happy with the experience, California Custom provides a no-questions-asked money-back guarantee. The included aluminum deoxidizer does not work on all surfaces and should be kept away from paint surfaces, as well as gold and silver plating. Additionally, the formula will not work on metals that feature protective coatings. You can always use the best disc sander to prepare the surface though. Lastly, as the solution is toxic, it will need to be stored securely away from children and pets. Moving on at number 4, we have the 3D Heavy-Duty Multi-Purpose Metal Polish. The 3D metal polish is one of the best polishes for aluminum truck wheels and other automobiles. This heavy-duty multi-purpose polish and cleaner restores and protects the metal surfaces of your ride like wheels, exhaust tips, rims, and others. You can use it on different metal surfaces like aluminum, chrome, brass, silver, diamond plates, and more. The advanced liquid formula gets deep into the surface and easily removes the settled rust stains and oxidation. If you desire professional care for your car wheels, this car care product will not disappoint you. Lastly, using this product is super easy. Simply apply it via a microfiber cloth on the desired surface and scrub all the imperfections away. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish. The Heavy Metal Polish by Chemical Guys is another great choice to clean and restore the metal surfaces of your wheels. This cream formula solution has a concentrated formula and works wonders in restoring the surface shine. You can use this product to remove light rust stains, oxidation, and built-up brake dust wheels from all kinds of metal surfaces. This polish is easy to use. After the work is done, it leaves behind an amazing shine. In addition, the easy-to-comprehend usage instructions make this an ideal choice even for first-time users. Furthermore, this product leaves behind no streaks and spots on the surface, plus it makes the scratches less visible. Lastly, this product is ideal to clean chrome bumpers, aluminum trim and wheels, stainless steel exhaust tips, and more. At number 2, we have the Car Guys Acid-Free Environment-Friendly Wheel Cleaner. Car Guys offer one of the best metal polish for aluminum wheels for 2023. It is one of the most popular brands with a strong consumer base. This wheel cleaner product is versatile. It helps you get rid of all the settled dust and is safe to use on all types of wheel finishes, rims, tires, and more. The advanced pH-neutral formula works on the safe removal of the toughest dirt and road grime without making it a hassle for you. You can use this polish to clean your rotors, calipers, old tire dressings, exhaust tips, and more. In addition, it is safe to use on chrome, aluminum, alloy, and other metals. Using this product is also very easy. This highly concentrated cleaning gel comes in a ready-to-spray bottle. You can spray it on the affected areas, or if you wish, you can dilute it with water. Simply spray the solution on the wheels, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub it off using an applicator or a microfiber cloth. And finally at number 1, we have the Flitz Non-Toxic Metal Cleaner. Another metal cleaner you can buy to keep your ride's wheel just as good as new as Flitz Multi-Purpose Polishing Cleaner. This product is non-toxic, non-flammable, non-abrasive, and can be used in your garage and around your house. It comes in a small, easy-to-use and portable tune and easily removes unwanted contamination like rust, tarnishes, water stains, lime deposits, oxidation, road grime, and more. Like other products on this list, Flitz is also safe to use on a variety of metal surfaces including brass, bronze, chrome, aluminum, copper, and more. The best part is that this product is completely safe to use on painted surfaces. In addition, you can use it to clear those bird droppings, tree sap, and other settlements on your car's exterior. The only drawback this product holds is that the quantity is low and it is costly per ounce price.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.